We want to do a really good job for the community that's here. They come into the relationship with certain expectations and kind of this dream idea. When they bring that in, we want to listen well and we want to hear their thoughts and ideas and the things that they find online and share with us, and then turn that into a reality. When we get to the end of a project and we're doing a final walkthrough, we want to not only meet their expectations, but really exceed them. When we bring our decades of experience to the table and the resources that we have and seasoned staff, we want to be thought of as a value. One of the more exciting hires that we've had recently is to bring an in-house cabinet designer that has all CAD experience and renderings, can design spaces, even such things as built-ins around a fireplace, or designing that addition and what that new space looks like after you take out a couple bearing walls. We're excited about being able to really just kind of enhance our offering to the client.